You'll want to start with the colored side of your paper facing upwards. Your first step is to fold your paper diagonally, unfolding each time. Your goal here is to make creases that look like an X in the middle of your paper. Next, you need to flip your paper over and make folds horizontally. So you will fold, unfold, rotate, and fold again, creasing each time. Now you will need to unfold, put your paper diagonally, and push your diagonal creases inwards to create another smaller square. With the open end of the paper facing down, you will take one of the corners of your paper and fold it into the middle crease. What you're making here is called a kite fold, so you'll need to repeat this 3 more times, flipping your paper over halfway in to make your paper look like a kite. Your folds don't have to be exact. See the triangle on top? You'll have to bend it over the kite that you've made. To create a crease, flip it over and bend it forward again to create another good crease that goes along the top. Now, unfold your kite folds, lift up your first layer of paper, and try to fold the whole thing in on itself. Use that triangle crease we just made as your guide. Flatten it out nicely, flip it over, and do the same fold again on the other side. Now we're going to do another smaller kind of kite fold by taking one layer and folding it in till it meets the middle to create a really thin sort of kite. Do this on each side, flipping over halfway through. You'll know you're on the right track is if after you've finished all these folds, it kind of looks like your origami piece has little legs. Ta-da! Now you want to take your whole piece of paper and flip it halfway, opening up the crease. You'll see a horizontal line there and that you want to take the whole bottom and fold it up into the top. Flip it over to the other side and do the same thing. You're almost done now. Choose one side to be the head and one side to be the tail. Flip the top down a little bit to be the head, a little bit more to be the tail, and then you'll take your wings, open them up, and you should have a crane. Practice makes perfect with these kind of projects. All done! Nice work, everybody!